when the workers demanded implementation of the new wages law.
Non-implementation of the government announcement regarding minimum wages is fast becoming a serious problem for the working class of Pakistan. Workers arranged a protest against what they claim was unfair treatment being meted out to them by the administration of a local factory near the Thokar Niaz Beg area of Lahore.
सारे मजदूर बाहर आ गए, हमने एहतजाज किया, उन्होंने हमारे तमाम जो हक थे, हम हक पे थे, हमने कहा जो हमारे लेबर लॉ के मुताबिक जो हमारा हक बनता है, ग्रेजुएटी, बोनस, जो सैलरी बनती है लास्ट टाइम की जो गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया 6000 वो दें, उन्होंने कहा जी हम देते हैं। वो जो उनके एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन थे वो सब मान गए। प्रेस वाले जैसे ही मूव करते हैं, वो जो पुलिस वाले उन्होंने सुबह से अंदर बिठाए हुए थे 200 बंदे, उन्होंने एक्शन लिया, हमने ज़दकोब भी किया, लाठियाँ भी बरसाई।
In the midst of the scuffle, the police also arrested some activists of the trade unions, a student and faculty member of the Lahore University of Management and Sciences, and some workers who had gone there to express solidarity with the workers of that particular factory. They were, however, released on bail Friday morning when they were produced before a magistrate.
We went in solidarity with a protest that was occurring at Navina Textile for minimum wage, and there we talked to the administration. The administration acceded to the demands of the workers. We came outside, we were not blocking the road, we were not doing anything illegal, and suddenly the police came outside and they fired bullets on the floor, and then they lathi charged us, they hit us, they beat us really badly.
There is so much injustice going on, and we don't really care about what's going on, so I really wanted to see and find out what the matter was, and you know, when we got there it was very clear that whose side we should be on.
The counsels for the accused were critical of the actions taken by factory owners and the police against what they said were peaceful protesters.
If you read through the FIR, there is no substance in any of the allegations. And actually, what has been attempted at is the right to freedom of assembly has been attacked by the police. That's it.
The factory administration claims they have nothing to hide, and the workers were dealt with in a fair and just manner. They, however, declined to comment on the issue of minimum wages altogether and refused to even accept the workers' position on the issue of minimum wages.
नवीना एक्सपोर्ट्स जो है इसकी 13 साल की हिस्ट्री है और 13 साल की हिस्ट्री में नॉट ए सिंगल टाइम कि आपकी तनख्वाह गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में तनख्वाह लेट हो सकती है, लेकिन हमारे पास तनख्वाह जो है वो एग्जैक्ट 3 to 4 जो है ना ऑफ एवरी मंथ हम पे कर देते हैं.
This incident clearly shows that the increase in minimum wages is not something all factory owners will accept open-heartedly. The government needs to mobilize its machinery in order to get its actions implemented. Mubin Chughtai, Dawn News, Lahore.
Lack of awareness and ineffective measures are compounding the misery of people suffering from gastroenteritis and